Out of Rainforest. Have you ever entered a tropical rainforest? It's a special that place, completely different from anywhere else. A rainforest is a place where the trees grow very tall. Millions of kinds of animals, insects, and plants live the rainforest. It's the hot and humid in the rainforest. It rains lots in the rainforest, but sometimes you don't know it's raining. The trees grow so closely together that rain doesn't always reach the ground. Rainforests make up only a small part of the earth's surface, about 6%. They are found in tropical parts of the world. The largest rainforest in the world is in the Amazon, South America. The Amazon covers 1.2 billion acres, almost 5 million square kilometers. The second largest rainforest is in Western Africa. There are also rainforests in Central America, South Asia, Northern Australia, and the Pacific Islands. Rainforests provide us with many things. In fact, the Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of our planet because it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. 1/5 of the world's fresh water is also found in the Amazon rainforest. Furthermore, 1/2 of the world's parts of animals, plants, and insects live in the Earth's rainforest. 80% of the world's food we eat first grew in the rainforest. For example, pineapple, banana, tomatoes, corn, potatoes, chocolate, coffee, and sugar all came from rainforest. 25% of the roads we take when we are sick and made of plants that grow only in the rainforest. Some of these growths are even used to fight and kill cancer. With all the good things we get from rainforests, it's surprising to find that we are destroying our rainforest. In fact, 1.5 acres or 6,000 square meters of rainforest disappear very quickly. The forests are being cut down to make fields for cows, harvest the plants, or to clear the land for farms, along with losing countless valuable spots. The destruction of rainforests creates many problems worldwide. The destruction of rainforests results in more pollution, less rain, and less oxygen for the world.